Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to learn Arduino super quickly. So, sorry, that is just something I was trying. So, first of all, of course, you'd like to go and download Arduino on your PC, of course, if you don't have it. If you do have it, that's great. But if you don't, you'd like to go and download this at any browser you are currently using. Of course, this could be Brave, it could be Opera, it could be like Google Chrome, it could be whatever browser you could be currently using. And of course, you can download the latest version if you wish. You can download the version that I'm using, which is 1.8.1. You can download any other version suits you, of course, because every version will work on this tutorial. So if you want to learn Arduino as fast as possible, you would like just to go to this file option, then click at this example right here. So from here, you would like to go to the basics and open whatever you want from this. So of course, go step by step. So let's start by the first one. So sorry, when I click on it, that's what's open actually. So as you can see, you'll need to plug your Arduino in on your PC, of course, then choose your board Arduino, of course, from here. If you have an Arduino Uno, if you have Arduino Nano, Mega, choose whatever Arduino you have, then choose the COM from here. Of course, for me, I have just these two COMs because I'm not even plugged in my Arduino yet. But if you have it plugged in, it could choose the COM by default, or it could choose the COM from here. Of course, you can choose this from here if it didn't gets like chosen by default. So after that, if you can see like something on Arduino going on, it will be great. If you cannot, you can read everything from the serial monitor, and of course try to try to understand what does any of this means. So just go step by step. So serial begin, that means to start this serial monitor, like void loop, this int sensor value. So try to understand every line, and if you didn't understand anything, just go, of course, read the comments if you want, and if you even didn't understand the comments, just go to Google and type what does that maybe line means. So just go copy it and write what does that mean. So make sure to go in all this basics. So if you go through all these basics, make sure that you actually will know the basics of Arduino, and you'll be able to start going into advanced things. So of course, you'll find here several examples. Just go check whatever you want or whatever you're interested on, and you'll be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.